We just hit a huge sell-off these last few weeks, and the market's now entering November, where a key month where stocks like to perform and outperform the market. So pay attention to this week. And now these stocks, we got a Fed meeting, we got huge tech earnings. So let's take a look at some key stocks we need to be investing into so we can get out of debt and maybe free up some student loans, child support, stop working check to check, get some people out the hood, whatever we need to do. Let's get it straight into the video. First thing we got on the rip is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is one of those cryptocurrency is going to go to zero. One of the main scams of all the cryptocurrencies that is meant for people to as a Ponzi scheme. Once it hits $1 million, they're going to wipe it out to pay the whole U.S. economy debt. But it's the one that you need to look into and buy, just because Bitcoin has opportunity to gain 50% from where it's at right now. We're currently still down. It's been very choppy for Bitcoin, but once we look at the weekly time frame, it's going to be a week where Bitcoin just going to break through these resistance and break through new highs, just because Bitcoin just been having a laggy month compared to NASDAQ, SP 500, and Dow Jones. The stock market is looking phenomenal well compared to cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. So that's how you know Bitcoin is going to come out and outperform soon. So let's take a look at Bitcoin for the next 2 months. Another one we have on the list is Ethereum. Ethereum was known as a great cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin, and it's one of those second one that has the biggest market cap in the cryptocurrency, and it's one that you can use to send money nowadays to a phone number, email, and it's a very good cryptocurrency, so you can earn dividend yield from just owning the crypto. So putting your money inside the crypto on Coinbase, you make some money by just putting money in there. So it's a win-win. As cryptocurrency and Ethereum goes up, you get money from just holding Ethereum, and it's one of the first ones that started adopting to that yield and Solana as well. So this is one you should keep your eye on, as Ethereum has a price target of about 9,000 in 2026. You have opportunity to almost times 3 what you put in right here if you buy Ethereum and dollar cost average at this price. Now let's take a look at key stocks that you guys need to be invested to these next 2 months to 8 months to enter 2026. But November is key. First one we have on the list is MSTR. Ticker symbol MicroStrategy. Is a stock that's currently at $269, and it's one that's been getting obliterated. Started from price $350 to start off October, and we went down all the way down to $252 during the month. Okay, this is a key stock, guys, that you guys need to look at, just because all the losses this stock has accumulated these past few weeks, this stock is going to have to rebound even faster. And like you guys know, if you're new to the markets, and when the stock market crashes, it has to be a huge rally that comes before a huge rally towards the upside. So a huge crash has to come before the stock has to turn around and go back towards the upside. So we look at the stock here. It had been having a phenomenal year to start. Once we seen April and May, and then June and July had an uptrend, but then boom, these last 3 months MSTR has been down phenomenally. Grab this stock. Price target for MSTR is $556. If you get in at 262, you have the opportunity to double what you put in by just holding shares and getting about a 30,000 return from putting a leap from this date on till November next year, 2026. Another stock that you guys should be having on your radar is Tesla. Tesla stock is during the time for this season for the stock to start skyrocketing past $500. Okay, we've been calling Tesla for these last 3 months, and it's been on a huge phenomenal run ever since July. We just seen nothing but green after finishing this nice handle for these last few months. This stock is having a huge momentum, testing resistance behind $450 to $490. This stock is going to break out in November, so keep your price target for this one while you put on some nice calls around that range, and make sure you take your profits as we push past 500 and you load up. If it goes below 500, we're going to shoot back past $530 with Tesla in November and December. This is right here, easy plays of these last 2 months of the year. Tesla's going to be the one that should get you out of debt, and so you can free those credit cards and student loans with just easy contracts that cost $2,000 to $3,000. And the last stock you guys should pay attention to this month is UNH, United Health. As more companies partner with these health insurances, if more people are signing up for insurance for the final quarter of the year or the final few months of the year, we want to pay attention to how this stock is going to profit for this rest of the year, and how much money and revenue this stock is getting compared to, as the stock is going down about 50% of the year, and we've seen this stock is currently sitting at $341 $600, and we started the year off the price being about $620. This is a great sign for us to buy the dip opportunity. And we go ahead, go to SoFAgents.com. We cop the latest t-shirts every time we buy the dip, so we can be in the straight behavior for us to know to accumulate wealth, for us to live whenever we hit our certain lifestyle or milestones. We want to be reminded to always buy the dip and take the profits. This is a perfect sign for us to buy the dip with United Health, as we ended up hitting $380 during earnings, but price couldn't stay that strong. The bears pulled it down to $342. I love this setup because next month price could start off around $330, $342 and break up past $380. This sign right here is a sign of a wick, meaning price signaled at that place, but it couldn't stay there. So whenever we see the next candlestick, that's going to show us our direction of where this stock is going. And you want to play this one early if you're a call, if you're a swing trader. You want to play this one early around a 340 to 360 call option to ride it past $400, guys. This one's backed up by Warren Buffett, and that's going to cap it off for today's video, guys. I hope you guys learned something new. I hope you guys are prepared for this final rally of the year, and not importantly, just enjoying what's been going on from the start to now, and really reflecting on our journey. The most important about this is our journey and our portfolio, and learning how we're getting better in our careers. So if y'all haven't already, make sure you leave a like, comment down below. Go to Sofa Academics, cop the latest merch. Sofa Academics, buy the dip tees. Other than that, I see you guys later, man. I love you guys. We out, man.